I would like you to welcome me this lesson of English just now, please. I have seen your messages that you have written. So now, please, I'm ready to do what you want, right? Because I'm here because of you, right? You are the one to watch. You are the one to make me happy. You are the one, right? Uh, who make me for taking this decision for teaching you English, right? So now, please, we have the lesson we are going to teach now, please. It's a lesson which is about determiners. Repeat after me, determiners. So determiners, they are very important lesson in English. That's what we to know, please. And we should differentiate, we should distinguish with other lessons. But sometimes the people have the confusion about about differentiating. There is a three determinants. So here we have number one, which is the liter. Number three, which is the liter. Number three is the merge. So we are going to use them respectively, placed by correcting the exercises that you have written below, right? So before starting the lesson, please, first of all, our Almighty God just is the one to be praised. So here we have the book that you can read. It is Jacob chapter 1, verse 19 to 20. Right. So now let's begin our lesson, please, without delaying our time. So the important one we are together that we can achieve is about this lesson, which is the determiners, right? So let's begin here. As you see these three determiners, I'll use it to modify the uncountable nouns. What do we call the uncountable nouns? This is uncountable is an opposite of countable. So the uncountable nouns are those things you cannot count, right? Ladies and gentlemen, iri somo ryacu tugiye kurebaho ni isomo rireba kuri aya magambo dukoresha asobanura amazina y'ibintu bitabarika. Liter ni ijambo risobanura ibintu bike cyane hafi ya ntabyo ariko bitabarika. A little naryo ni ijambo risobanura bike ariko biri mu rugero kandi bitabarika. Much ni byinshi kandi bitabarika. So here we have the exercises that we are going to correct, right? So that can help you. Here we have the brackets, the words, the alternatives that you have to choose if the correct can be used in this blank space, right? So, and here we have at least 7 exercises. So please, I would like to invite you to start this lesson from the beginning up to the end. Just this one is very easy to distinguish them. So let's begin now, please. Don't sleep. We have blah blah blah. Time to move. Little, much. So which answer that can you put there? Which answer? So here we have negative, right? This is negative. Just it means this determiner that these determinants that we have, which one that you use it to show the small level. I mean the small degree of the any uncountable noun. Which one? So here we have this much means the quantity. So here we have liter. An answer is the liter. Liter, right? So, and here we have, that's why you can hear the sentence, don't sleep. We have little time to move. right? Because can you count the time? You can't, right? So here we have number two. Number two is eat, blah, 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 junk food. Little, much. Which answer that can you put there? So here we have this junk food. Please know this junk food is dangerous to your health. That's why you should not eat much, but you should eat little. You should eat little junk food, right? So here we have the next number three is take blah 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 time to relax. To relax. So which one can we use here? Is it little? Is it a little? And answer is a little. Excellent, right? This is a little. Alright, because this one please will take their a little time to relax, right? A certain time for relaxing, right? It is not much, but it is moderate time, alright? So let's see the number four. Don't eat blah 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 sugar. Is it a little? Is it much? Right, please, when the sugar is at the higher level, that's dangerous, right? And you see the sentence is advising, right? So that's why I can say, don't eat much sugar. Don't eat much sugar, right? So let's see the next, please. Number five. You should drink blah 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 water. Here we have little, much. Please, according to this adversary sentence, just please, you should drink much water. It is an adverse that you can use in our daily life, right? So that you can be healthy. Just you have to do the sport, you have to drink much water so that you can be the healthy one, right? Much water. It's okay. Here we have number six. Don't spend blah 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 money. Right? On unnecessary things. It is an advice, please. When you have money, please, you can't make this mismanagement. Just you have to manage your money properly. If you don't manage your money, just you will lose, right? It's better to manage your money properly without mismanagement. It's okay. So this one will be used. Don't spend little, no, much. So, please, money is an uncountable noun, right? Please don't be confused on this noun. You can say, please, the money, no, the money are not accountable. Money is uncountable. That's why, please, it takes this singular is. You say money is. We don't say money are. We say money is. It's okay. Number seven, just it's yours blah blah served in your food. Which one? Is it a little? Is it a little? Just you will do it in a comment. Right? So by summarizing our lesson, please, let's try to do it in a little time, right? So here we have this time is uncountable, right? And here we have junk food. Junk food also, that's when this one is uncountable. And then you have time, it's like this one. So here we have sugar, it's also uncountable noun. And here we have water, right? is an uncountable noun, then is being modified this much by the much. So don't spend much money. This money is also an uncountable noun. Right, and here we have this sort. Is it a countable noun? Is it an uncountable noun? So you will choose one to be chosen, right, to fill in this blank space. Please, I want to thank you for your kind attention. Just keep watching, right? And I wish you more blessings for watching the videos. You deserve the best things. You deserve the fruitful life as you are doing everything. Just to be uh, ready to listen other videos that are going to be uploaded. Keep watching, please. Thank you.